Yo, what is good people? Ben from Lover of Tech, and we are back with another video, and this time it's of an unboxing. We have the Beats Fit Pro. True to wireless earbuds from Beats. Let's unbox them, give you an early impression and first look. First of all, a big shout out to the guys over at Beats and Apple for sending this over. Yeah, Beats Fit Pro. This is pretty much meant to be the equivalent of the AirPods Pro. It's their Pro model with active noise cancelling, as you can see, and also comfortable fit with the secure wingtips. I'm very interested in this one because as someone that likes running and is trying to run more regularly and get into fitness flow, this looks to be like a good balance away from the Power Beats, because the Power Beats are probably more secure, but they're quite big. Definitely sweat and water resistant, and is made for iPhone, iOS devices, and it works with Android as well. So we've got both the iPhone 13 Pro, S22 Ultra here, we're gonna test it with. And yeah, let's pretty much get to unboxing them. Now, these retail for, I believe, the actual MSRP price of around £200, £199. So we're gonna unbox these. We've got these in a white. Oh, I prefer the black, but the whites are still nice. No complaints there. Beats. Ooh, okay. This is nice. Right, we have the nice Beats logo there. Let's put this to the side quickly. Check what we get inside. Not much. Pair the earbuds in the case. Lid open. And you've got a USB-C to C cable. Great. It does support USB-C. We're gonna get to that. Then we've got the different tips that come in there as well. Got the booklets. Complete, try it for free. For 3 months, okay, nice. 3 months of Apple Music. And I know Apple Music has high bitrate when it comes to listening compared to, you know, Spotify and YouTube Music, from what I believe. Okay, nice. Beat sticker, couple of booklets, really well thought out. I like that, it's really nice. Oakley doke. So I want to make sure that I take this out properly and not cause any damage. All right, here we are. So I'm definitely gonna put the bigger wingtips in. So I'm gonna take these two out. Love the fact that it comes with a nice short throw USB-C to C cable. I'm gonna put this all to the side for now. Bring this into centerpiece. Oh, feels a bit slippery. The only thing this doesn't have, from what I believe, is wireless charging, but it does have active noise cancelling. And apparently the active noise cancelling are really good and probably better than AirPods as well. Right, moment of truth. Ooh, that looks beautiful. That looks really, really nice. And these are with the wingtips. These are actually really nice. I like that. I like that. Then you've got the optical sensor, which is meant to be really good because it detects, you know, skin when you take it out to auto pause and play. So let's just say, for example, if it's in your pockets, it won't actually detect, or when it picks up a skin like your ears, it detects and puts in. All right, let me change the ear tips. I always prefer the bigger ones for an even more secure fit and better sounding bass, which tends to happen. And we're just gonna fit this on very quickly. Okay, that's the right tip. And the left tip. Okay, let's have a look. I always prefer stemless design true to wireless earbuds as well. See how that looks and fits. Yeah, it feels really, really comfortable actually. Okay. Strong magnets, I like that. So they go back in. And let's, oh, there we go. There's the automatic pairing, all thanks to the H1 chip. The H1 chip that's in here, we're gonna connect. And we're gonna skip Not now. We'll customize it later. Yeah, that's fine. Perfect. Wow, so you've got the widget right there that shows you everything that you need to know, which is really good. So that works really well for the iPhone, but does work well with Android as well, all thanks to the Beats app, which allows you to do one-touch connectivity. So if we get time, we'll demonstrate it, but let's have a quick listen. So I'm gonna put these back in. Okay, let's put a bit of Kate Renada. Good bass. Sounds clean. Sounds clean. Does sound clean. It sounds nice. Oh, hear the bass. Right, so we got the settings here. Noise cancelling, transparency, off. We got an in-ear fit test. Okay, automatic ear detection, spatial audio. Interesting. Oh. Yeah, this has got a clean bass signature in there, man. I like it. I like it. Got some touch controls. Okay, so it's got like a physical press. Okay, I like that. Nice, 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 nice. Okay. Hey, these are decent still. These are decent. All right, I like the comfort. The wingtips definitely do the job. All right, full review coming. Oh, I've gotten a bit dizzy. All right. And that works really well. And then we're gonna put that back in and it auto plays. Yep, that's sick. That's sick. Yeah, works really well. Cool. Wow, I like the tactile press that these actually offer, which are really, really cool. But wow, okay, good first impressions, strong magnets, and then the auto connection as well when you open it. Yeah, this is nice. This is nice. This is nice. This is not bad. This is not bad at all. I like it. So it shows you the percentage of each device, each earpiece, and also the case. Close it. And that's Beats. Beats Fit Pro. Okay, very interesting. First impressions go clean bass, very, very good comfort with the wingtips. I was worried that they will feel a bit sharp. Obviously, I've changed the ear tips that's in there, USB-C. H1 works really great with the iPhone 13 Pro with instant connectivity. And obviously, you've got the settings that you can go through on Bluetooth and do all the changes that you can there as well. But yeah, that is it. Watch out for the first impressions and the review and comparisons on the Beats Fit Pro. And again, a big shout out to the guys over at Beats and Apple for sending this over for testing and review. That's it for me, Ben from Lover of Tech. If you enjoy videos like this, you know exactly what to do. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you're part of Team TLS Tech Lover Squad so you don't miss any future videos on the channel. I hope you're all safe during this time. I will catch you in the next one. Peace.